Hey guys, this is Dakota from Greeneway RV, and today I'm inside of the brand new Grand Design Transcend 315RKT. I just want to go over some of the cool new features of this camper. So right off the bat here, we have this nice corner breakfast nook with a little tabletop here. You can sit a few people around and share your breakfast. They throw in a nice kind of computer worktop space or maybe an extra place to eat. And then have this cool ottoman that can double as a tray for your theater seating while you're eating. And then nice soft clothes. Look at that. This thing's definitely built well. Lots of huge windows throughout here. You got one right in front of the kitchen sink, so even if you get stuck doing the dishes, you at least get to look out on the campfire and your friends having fun. And then you also got two big windows right in the hallway that kind of opens up the space and brings in more natural lighting. Another couple cool things is garbage can drawer right in the camper, so you don't have to find a place to put your garbage. Nice big pantry space. Plenty of room to put all your food, dishes. Got a little hidden pet drawer for your furry friends to put their drinks and food. And a nice big refrigerator and freezer. And as we head to the front of the camper, you're gonna get a nice big view outside of the hallway here. Opens up, brings in that natural light. Big walk-in shower, plenty of room in the bathroom for all your towels, toothbrush, toiletries. And then here we got a nice spacious bedroom with a bed slide with a king bed. That opens up a lot of front room for closet. Plenty of room to hang up all your clothes, shoes, pants, everything. And you got a nice dresser in the front. Nice little hidden shelf here. Thanks again for watching. This is Dakota from Greenway RV. My phone number is 715-230-2393. Call me or shoot me a text if you have any questions.